Hello everyone, we are the 45 group. We are going to introduce about the drone delivery project, which is presented in 5 parts. Okay, next page.
First, I will talk in project background and plan. The main results of the Dream program is a shortening of the train drive delivery module at least 4 times. For example, the following 3 points. The first is in accommodating close response make the difficult of the delivery micro and difficult of many people to the team. Second, the special place such as the mountain and dangerous air making the cannot deliver by the hand, and the enjoy people cannot give the first at the first time. Through the effort of the train version, ground memory deliver is too slow, and the round on the grid limit to distance of the time of from driver. However, don't deliver flying in the sky can correlate increase the equation. So it is very important to implement the job project plan. The job program has 4 major features as a TPS pro-sorting, super effort, safe and reliable, and special delivery. These 4 features are the own solution elements of the drone is delivered, and they are also the focus of involvement in the drone project, and my team will plan to in the implement.
During the construction of a UAS, the creation of a cost estimate sheet is fundamental to the management of project resources. The cost estimate for a UAS project consists of 6 areas. They are design, foundation, standards, process specification, user-side construction, merchant-side construction, and intelligent network system construction. By creating a cost estimation table, it will be possible to get a better handle on the total cost of UAS. Next page. There are a number of possible risks involved in the construction of UAS projects: technical, regulation and policy, safety, flight environment, economic and business, and social acceptance risks. To address these risks, UAS project construction requires cooperation with relevant interests should be carried out to address possible problems and challenges together. Next page.
Door delivery has become the future development trend in development cities and countryside. So we are confident that the research and development of this project is bound to achieve efficient economic benefit. According to the analysis of the financial statement, the actual cost of the project is not much different from the estimate cost, because we also take into account the labor cost and drone minister cost when calculations the cost will change with the marketing trade. Next page. As can be seen from the ROI, this product has a hard profit space, which can recover the cost and start to make a proficiency in about 50 months, which also lay a good foundations from the subsequent listening plan for this project. Overall, the project is cost effective in terms of novel technologies and return on investment. Next page.
The George Laboratories project is the new urban smart logistics project. The project will establish the hub station in each area, where the charging stations will be built next to the hub stations and the receiving stations in each apartment. In terms of collaboration, the project plans to work with drone manufacturers and pharmacists in different areas to ensure the availability of transportation and goods. And we also plan to work with hospitals to ensure the consumers have access to professional advice from doctors. We also plan to work with Digway and mapping platforms in order to design the best delivery solution and increase business value. In addition, the project plans to issue safety under the supervision of government agencies. Next page.
Okay. In conclusion, the drone logistic drug delivery project represents a groundbreaking leap forward in healthcare delivery. By harnessing the power of drone technology and strategic collaboration, we are possible to overcome the limitations of traditional logistics and transform the way essential medicine and medical supplies are delivered. With a focus on efficiency, safety, and improved accessibility, this project has potential to revolutionise emergency medical service and positively impact countless lives. Together, let us embrace this innovation approach and support the drone delivery project as we pave the way for a future where healthcare reaches who need it when they need it most. Thank you. Okay, next page. Thanks for watching. This reference, that's all. Thank you.